Hi guys, so this is Lake Geneva Lake in Switzerland, and I am vlogging all the way from Switzerland, Geneva. So we stopped by here in our road trip, family road trip. This beautiful place, guys. Nice plaza to stand by. Mm. Hello everyone, say hi to my vlog. Oh, the dragonfly. Oh no, you sulat. Ay ko ang guys. Mm. 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 So cute. Vast domain. So nice kaayo guys, no, nga place. Grabe ka beautiful. Nagkuan ko guys, is ice cream. Mm. I will. So beautiful. Beautiful. Kan kaayo og kuan oh. Tanawa the white the butterflies. So sweet, di ba? Wow, this seems like know that I am videoing. Oh, couple butterfly, white butterflies. How nice, di ba? Mhm. Mhm. Nasa castle dito, guys. Oh, wow, gid kaayo. Mhm. Swan. Ka beautiful. Oh, naaman isa din siya sa Pilipinas. Kani ba? Murag na ni hatagig importansya sa Pilipinas. Pero na di siya nagkalain nga nindot day siya isagol kanang pink unya mura og pusya ng iyang pagka pink unya white light. Nice na siya tan-awon. Nasa iring-iring po na siya. Di ba na ni sa Pilipinas mostly sa Baguio na asa ni siya sa park. Oh. Hello. Tanaw yusula min ice cream. Ha? Is it mint? Honey? Hula the continuation Bora do not stop because I will vlog it to my YouTube. I will go. I will walk. Hello guys. So I'm here in Lake Geneva Lake. And then so diba nice guys. Nice ang weather today. So it's so nice video, you can really catch the real color because it's nice weather. Yeah. So we will not go back. There's no toilet here, honey. I want a, so we will already go back and proceed to another place, guys. So, or we will go in that area, honey. There's a castle. Yan. Diba? Beautiful. Or, do you know if there's a toilet here? Sapit na, guys, ha? 2 minutes more and this beautiful view of Geneva, Switzerland is is over. What is this? Diba? Nice kayo. I walk through you. So houses here also is nice. Oh, look at that. The Switzerland flag. So daghan sad mag-standby diri, guys. Mangaon kay lunch time man ron nya Monday. So siguro ang mga gatrabaho nga mari lang mangaon picnic style kay hayahay with the view pa. Nice kayo ang color ani nga mga kuan, oh, mga roses. Diba? So guys, we are heading to our car. Nice gid siya, guys, oh. Dili siya red, dili po siya orange, dili po siya pink or mo pink na siya pag mo red na siya pag like kuan na siya kanang mo pink na siya pag murag palaos na siya, unya orange pud pag bag-o pa, unya mo red siya pag bloom na jud kaayo, unya when it about to die down, so it turns to pink. Nice, ah. So na ice cream nga lamion. Diba nice? Diba, oh? Diba ka nice, oh? Nice kaayo walking by this beautiful lake. So naasa na ito? Ay mga boat. How about that? So good. So that's all, guys. Bye bye.